This is the fuel pump for a 2007 GMC Sierra. Another thing you want to do to make it easier is to open the gas door, take these 3 bolts off around here. Thing we need to do is I'm gonna take this hose right here off, and we're gonna take this, see if I can get a good shot of that. Take this clamp off, take this hose off. Forgot to mention earlier, you're gonna want to make sure you don't have a full tank of gas. Otherwise, you know, you're gonna need to get a jack and lower it down slowly, and it's a headache really. So just make sure, you know. There's a bolt right here for the gas tank.
Oh, I gotta tell you my idea for the car too.
There's the band for the gas tank. Here's the other bolt. There we go. That's the other bolt. Okay, we finally got the gas tank out. But I want to talk about these clips. These probably going to be the hardest parts. I think you have like 3 or 4 different types of clips. You have this clip right here. Basically this clip, you know, all you need to do is you squeeze in this bottom part right here on both sides, right here. You squeeze both of those in and the top pops up. And if you get it up high enough, you can actually use a small screwdriver to put it underneath this part and pop up the rest of the way. But this clip goes right here on the pump. That one goes right there. Now, we also have this clip right here. This is a clip that has 2 methods to unlock it. Okay, so the first way is, say if this clip was on here like this, right? First, you would need to squeeze the top and the bottom down. This one has a 24 on it. I don't know if yours would have the same thing. Squeeze the top and the bottom down, and then you would pull on it. Then once you pull a certain amount, these right here will lock it in on top of this. So let me just show you. Okay, it's locked on there, right? So you push the top and bottom in, and you wiggle it back, which I can't get now because I'm using one hand to film. Yes, so okay, so it's back. Now, what you want to do is, well, what I did is I used a little small screwdriver, and I wedged the sides back. I can get a good view for you. There you go. So you wedge the side back, just like that. You slide that one back a little bit. Then you would do this side same way. You slide that back. Yeah, now it's loose. Hold that for me. Just press down on that so I can show them.
Hold it.
Yeah. There we go. I know I got it unlocked already. I just gotta wiggle it back off. Oh, there we go. Even harder to get off now. And it's already out. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so that's one of the tougher ones. Like I say, because you got to do this part first. And then this second. So yeah, so we covered that one. We covered this one. And then we have this one, which is this type of clip. All you have to do is squeeze the sides in. Squeeze the sides in, and it releases. See how it goes up and down? Yeah, so that's that one. Then you have the wire for this one and the wire for this one. Now this, our pump didn't come with a new one, so we're gonna take this out and just reuse it. But this is just simply a press down clip. This one right here, it's a press down clip also, but it has a lock in it. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, so this is the little piece that you have to remove or slide up. I don't know, I just took it out. I'll put it back in. So you slide that out, and then you press down the clip to remove it. That's for the bigger wiring harness. And for the small one, all you would have to do is just push it down. See if I can find a better. There we go. Okay, this is the big harness. This was in here like this. Well, yeah, like this. This was in there, locking it in. You need to either slide this back or remove it to get that wiring off. This is the second one. With this one, all you would need to do is just lift up on this one. I think I said push down. You actually need to lift it up. Lift it up to remove that one. That's a smaller wiring adapter. And yeah, that's basically it. Now we're about to switch everything over and put it back in the truck. I mean, it should come right up through there if you get it right.
Oh, I got it.
Hey, it's definitely a tight fit, ain't it? Huh. I don't know why they made that thing so tight. No, you got it. Yep. It's a lot of gas on it now. Oh, yeah, it's just at the bottom. Maybe you can take it somewhere and pour it out.
Gotta disconnect this. Oh, sorry, disconnect. Okay, yeah. Here we go.
Oh, man. Did I see that? That's over half a tank of gas in there. You definitely don't want to have that much gas in there when you're doing it, because it makes it very heavy to move around. Get all sides of it for anybody just looking for picture references. And that is it for that part. There was also a clamp on that one we have to hook back up once we put the jacket back up to the bottom of the truck.
Here we go.
Cool. Alright, let's take that piece off.
Right there, that little gray thing.
Oh, it may be locked in there.
Nah, I don't think so.
You don't think it's locked?
Nah, I see it. It's a C-clamp. It's a little thing, little black thing right there.
So that
You
means
pop
lock,
that.
man.
Yeah, you put it. Well, when you say lock, I mean it doesn't sound like it's
Nah, lock, baby. You
permanent.
can't just take it right out. Okay, y'all, we're gonna remove this piece right here. We'll be back. Alright, next we're gonna add the seal on here. A brand new seal. Put that on the pump. Then we're gonna put the float on there. Which goes like, smooth that up there. Like this. Take that piece in the middle and stick it through the middle of that. And then push in to the locks. There you go. That's in there. That's not going anywhere. Okay, y'all. It's very important to clean all this dirt off from around here. If you don't, then the new seal will not lay down like it's supposed to. Yeah, so we definitely want to make sure it seals the new pump on there. Notice, original black pressure sensor must be reused at time of installation.
That's the pressure sensor.
That's what that is. Pressure sensor. Okay. Stick that in there. Yep. And now we're going to install the C-clamp. I'm about to say clamp. The C-clamp to the other side of it.
Bruh.
You just dropped it, man?
I just dropped it.
Come on, man. You drop everything.
Everything. Don't hand it to me.
All right, folks, we'll be back. What is going on, man?
Man, look.
Okay, so I can get this thing clear. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Got the C-clamp on there. Ooh, it's really hard to get up in there. Anyway, yeah, there you go. C-clamp. Now,
You
you still need what else?
This little sucker you found.
Okay.
Plop that sucker right
Come
out.
on, man. You about to look, don't you pick up no more small pieces. All right, now we're gonna put this part on top of it. I really don't know what it is. It's just a little rubber piece that goes on top. Yeah. I guess that's it.
Yep, that's it.
Make sure it's down on all sides. Okay, there we go, y'all. Try not to lose this piece whenever you take it off. Hold on, let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, yeah, right there. Try not to lose that piece. That goes on top of the C-clamp. So you take that part off first, and then take the C-clamp off. Take the sensor out. Put it into the newer reverse installation. Okay, this is the direction that you want to install the pump. Facing towards the shield plate. On the back, you got the rubber seal underneath, as you can see. And then we're gonna take this locking mechanism. I don't know what it's called. Let's go on this side first.
That's basically what it's called.
Yeah, there we go. Flip that in, put it down, flip back out. Okay. All right, that's in there. Now we gotta get this lined up. Huh? Drop that. Drop that, man.
I got you.
$700. Yeah, okay, yeah. Put that on there. We're gonna turn it as far as we can. Then we're gonna get a handy dandy flathead. Alright, you got this part. Gonna rotate it. Lock it back in place. That's it. Alright, time to jack this joker back up. Get it back in there. Let's go.
All right.
All right. Got that clamp on. Got this clamp on. Like I say, this is just from before. You squeeze it from the sides. That's how you take that one on and off.
Yeah. You can
Yeah,
lift it
so
up and put it on here. And
shit on now. Down. That's all. So we're gonna hook that one up when we get back underneath there. Hook that one up. Hook this up. Hook this one up. And hook this one up. And this is just where the gas goes into the tank at.
Yeah. Now.
Alright, y'all, moment of truth. About to see if all this work was for nothing. Or did it work? Oh! It worked! Okay. Okay.
Now my check engine lights should go away eventually.
That's what's up. Alright, we done with that.
Yeah.
On to the next project.